Now that spring is coming, I'm going to take this plastic off of this door, and I'm going to start taking some of the plastic walls off. I might keep on the west side for now, just in case another storm blows through, but we can take this off because we're beginning to mow and I don't want it to get damaged from the lawnmower. Another thing I want to do is I'm going to build some kind of roost that comes off of this pole here, because they love to get up high on stuff, and I might even do one on that pole over there. I have this little thing, but it's old and it's rickety, and so it just doesn't work out very well anymore. And I did build them this little swing, but I've never seen anybody get on it, so that was one of those things I saw on the social media, but I never saw anybody get on it. So, but I am gonna do those things. I've got some more bricks too I'm gonna put around the edge. It does two things. It helps keep grass from growing up, but it also helps, well, I guess it does three things. It helps us from getting too close with the lawnmower and hitting the wire, and it also helps keep predators from digging down. But some of this plastic I think I'm going to take off, because you can see if we hit it with the lawnmower it's going to get damaged, and it's really only here to help keep that, because this is the north side, it's just to help keep that north wind out of there. I will eventually have to take it all down because this is the west side and it would just get way too hot. It would just kind of trap the heat in there, and I need it to be open so they can get plenty of airflow in the summertime. Flies over. I'm going to make some roosts in the chicken house for them to climb up on. And I'll probably go ahead and take that plastic off of that one door for sure. I am going to go ahead and remove this one. You can kind of see it's just old, and it's been here for a while, and it's not in that great of shape. So I don't want them to be up here and fall or whatever. Take that plastic off of that door, and I'm going to work on roosting area here. I just put them a little piece over here so they can have a little roost here, maybe in the morning or late afternoon. During the day it's in the sun. I didn't want to put it on this side in the shade because then they would roost right over their feed, poop in it, so we didn't do that. On this side, I took out that old roosting ladder that was over here and cut off the pieces that were rotten, and it was actually still in pretty good shape, and I just put it over there in the shaded area so they might use that. And I just put a little board there, board here, and something there. They just like to get up, they like to get up on things. I'll work on this a little bit. I've just been doing it a little bit at a time because it's boring and not fun.
Each day's a story the earth understands. Homestead dreams.
Well, I went ahead and finished with what bricks I had, on down to just about where I took some of that plastic down, and looks like I probably need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 6 more will get me to the end, but it's good enough for now. Just been a progress on that, slow progress, because along the house where the nesting box is on that side, I have bricks up to there, so I just need to finish this side and then this little bit of this side, and then we'll be done. Here we are again at the wood storage, and yes, it's piled up with stuff again. We were under a burn ban, so I have a lot of boxes and stuff that I haven't burned yet, but we've got several big brush piles in the back that I want to burn, so I'm going to hang on to the boxes so when we do brush fires it helps get those going. But I am going to store this clear plastic that I took off the chicken house in here, so let me see if I can find a place. I don't know if I showed this in a video, but I did get that old AC unit out of here that was in the studio, and so now I can kind of utilize this area a little better. I have to get it a little more organized again. Of course, the pool ladder will go away once the pool gets set up, but yeah, we just get, I don't know, just get stuff. But it does open up quite a bit in here, and then I fixed some additional shelving in the studio on the other side where that unit was poking out the other side. Since I'm working in the chicken house today, I'm going to take some of these shavings and go clean out their nesting area and give them some fresh in there, since we're doing a little refresh in there today. Got anybody in here setting? Yes, got a few in here. Everybody's laying right now. I'm getting a lot of eggs, but I need to get all this scooped out, fresh shavings put in. We are back in the chicken house, and I'm going to do something. I saw it on a YouTube channel a while back, and I cannot remember which channel it was. So you take this wire basket and put it upside down and stake it down in the ground really good. And you either plant a plant or put some seeds down in there, and the chickens can have something fresh growing to eat, but they can't scratch out the plant. Now, she had a whole bunch of these. I'm just going to give this one a test and see if it works, because they're very curious and very destructive with their feet. So I will see if this works. I've got some ryegrass, so that should come up really quick and really easy. So let's see how this works. I'm going to put it over here up against the brick, so that'll kind of also help keep them from digging out around it. Just want to break up the dirt a little bit here. And I'll probably put some bricks on top of it to start. Okay. So it's pretty flat there. Kind of wedged in between some bricks. And I've got some little stakes here.
Homestead dreams where the air runs free. Chickens
Oh.
and the cedar tree.
I hope this works because I like for them to have fresh stuff to eat. But they're just, you know, destructive with those chicken feet. So I'm just gonna sprinkle the seeds all around in there. That should grow, I would think, pretty easily. Put some bricks around the outside. And I think I'll even put, for now, a brick. I don't know. I don't want them getting in the sides of it, sticking their head in there, trying to get the seeds out. Give it a chance to grow. So we'll do a brick barrier for now, and give it a little sprinkle of water, and that'll be it. Today we did a few things in the chicken house, and I just like to do little things in there. It's not a have to, it's a want to. I want to make them happy and give them little things. Especially I hope that little fresh garden idea works. I wish I could remember what her channel was, because I'd love to share that with you, because she was amazing. She had all kinds of things growing inside the chicken house, or in the chicken run. But I hope that's successful, because that'll be great. And I appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some comments. Let me, if you've tried that before, or if you have another idea on how to make your own, maybe out of, thinking maybe I could make some out of wire or something. You know, send me an idea, or send me a channel if you've seen somebody else doing it. I love to watch all that kind of stuff and learn how to do, you know, these kinds of things. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I appreciate you watching. And if you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button, and you can go on this journey with us, and we'll see what we can get up to next time. Thanks for watching.
A simple life, but it sings so loud.